Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. And you can probably tell by the title, but this video is basically the ultimate Uniqlo discount code or promo code, and this works worldwide. So I'm going to be saying dollars in this video. However, you can probably hear I'm from the UK, so when I apply this code it actually transfers into my local currency. So for example, this is a $100 code, so for me this will remove 80 Great British pounds from my order, so just keep that in mind guys. So Uniqlo's a pretty cool website. They got lots of nice clothes, they're pretty cheap. However, if you're like me, despite them being cheap, you still want to save as much money as humanly possible. Now, I managed to find a discount code that will reduce your order by $100. And this is a simple code that you enter in the checkout or at the basket as per usual. So let me show you guys where you have to go to get your very own Uniqlo discount code for $100. So you need to open up the internet guys on your mobile phone. And I'm using an iPhone and Safari, but you can use any device you wish. And you have to go to www.giftcardhero.net. Make sure you go directly to the website, guys. If you go to Google, you might struggle finding it. You might have to scroll down. Just make sure you do find Gift Card Hero with this logo. Now, when you're on this page, you need to find the Uniqlo page, because as you can see, there's a ton of different pages on here. So you've got to press this green button and go to the search bar and just type Uniqlo. Here we go, Uniqlo promo codes. Scroll down. Now this is the section of the page we're interested in, guys. $100 off your order exclusive code, and this has been verified today, so that means it's just been used today and it's working. So let's click this button to reveal our code. Now there is a verification. Basically, this is to protect the codes, to make sure they go to people who actually use them rather than robots taking all of the codes. So this is just a step we have to complete. It's annoying, I know, but it's completely free and we're getting a $100 code out of this, so it's well worth it. So we need to complete 2 of the free app/surveys below, and this verifies you are not a robot. So we just need to complete 2 of the tasks listed below. These can range from installing official apps from the App Store or just completing some quick free surveys. So I prefer doing the surveys, guys, but I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 of these. So let me just pause the video. I'm going to enter in my email address, guys. Make sure you put in your correct email because this verifies you're a real person. So anyway, give me 2 minutes. I'll just complete 2 of these and I'll return. Okay, guys, so as discussed, I just finished 2 of these. I actually did the 2 offers at the top. I find, in my experience, the top 2 are the easiest to complete, so just keep that in mind. Now, it says complete 2 offers. If you do 2 and notice it hasn't worked, do a 3rd, because sometimes it glitches, but just do 2. And then when you return to this page, keep your fingers crossed, scroll down, and yes, so it is now revealed my Uniqlo $100 off my order code. So as discussed, this code, when entered into the basket or at checkout, will remove $100 of my order, or for me, it will be about 80 Great British pounds. So all I have to do is add about 80 pounds of product to my basket, just over 80 pounds, apply this code, and it's going to remove it. So it's as easy as that, guys. I think we can all agree that was well worth spending 5 minutes to get a $100 code. You have to go to giftcardhero.net and get your very own code. This one, someone can use this, but like I say, this will be a one-time use code. So whoever's quick enough can grab that one. However, I can assure you it's going to be used pretty quick. So that is how you get yours, guys. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.